Uppercase S. Lowercase s. Uppercase T. Lowercase t. Uppercase U. Lowercase u. Uppercase V. Lowercase v. Uppercase W. Lowercase w. Uppercase X. Lowercase x. Uppercase Y. Lowercase y. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. S for saw. S for snake. T for tree. T for train. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. V for vacuum. V for violin. W for whale. W for watch. X. X fox. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. C for zebra. C for zebra. Please like and subscribe to my channel.